Right. Uh, After we have designed a system, we will test. We will uh, provide the users with the system so that they can test run and give feedback. Okay. Um they normally they will comment. Okay, this the figure um, or certain data should be uh, arranged in such a way that uh, will be according to the forms they are using, or uh, they want certain layout that is easy for them uh, to see and to key in. Okay, some organization they wanted to avoid data input, so they use barcode, okay, to scan certain data such as client account number, uh, series number, okay, so that if let's say we have 14 digits of entry, so it is prone, it is open to mistake or error in keying. So uh, it is applied. For example, if you uh, have seen your electricity bills or your water supply bills, or even your phone telephone bills, it is using barcode nowadays, so that uh, the cashier or the person who in charge doesn't have to key in all those things. So it just scan and it will automatically capture in this on the screen, right? All right. So once the client or the users agreed with the system, then there will be implementation. So you have to install, you have to uh, make sure that there are enough PC, enough they have a good architecture or suitable architecture to support the implementation. Okay. After implementation, once a while, maybe 6 months or every year, we have to do some maintenance. Okay. Either on the data, because we have to back up data. If data are not back up, if something happen, let's say hackers can hack the system. Okay. Data will be totally lost, and we cannot imagine how or what are the impacts on the organization. Okay. Maintenance also related to changes in the requirement. Okay. From time to time, there are new things introduced by the authority or by the government. Okay. For example, last time uh, we using we were using GST, and then it changed to SST, and the government is now thinking of going back to GST. So different requirement by the government will have impact on the system. So changes has to be made to make sure that business comply with the requirement. Okay. Uh, so after maintenance, there will be planning also. So from time to time, as business grow, okay, as numbers of product increase, as volume of sales increase, there are more requirement. Okay, right, and the process goes on from planning to analysis, design. It is a non-stop process. Okay, it will be a cycle. Okay, right. Um, so I hope everyone can understand that system development is a never-ending process. It starts with planning, okay, and then you do analysis, then you do, or you prepare design. Okay, design will involve many things, and we will cover when it comes to that chapter. And then once the users agree with the system, okay, they will give a green lights for implementation. After implementation, from time to time, we have to do maintenance to make sure the system is up to date. The system doesn't have hiccups. Okay, there is no slow in terms of transaction. Okay, if anything, I did mention in previous video, problems are not easily detected, but symptoms are easily detected. Okay, perhaps system becomes slow. Okay, or system produce information or reports that are wrong. Okay, it could be related to input, because we have input, process, and output. So along the way, the interaction between the three, maybe inputs are not right, then system will process and produce a wrong output. Alright, I will continue with the next video.